supposed to be a dog? You can't tell by my arms? What's wrong with my arms? What? What's wrong with these? What? They look normal to... Is that it? Is that the thing that you can't tell if I'm a dog or not? Ew. What? Okay, what about these? Get a load of these, huh? Ooh. Yeah, get a fucking load of these bad boys, huh? What do you think of these? Ooh, those are pretty good. I'm gonna say bait. Yeah. For Fui? Do you have foot beans? I do. I mean, obviously you can't see them.